Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to level up fast in Goblin Miner. All right, let's begin. First, focus on upgrading efficiently and prioritizing the best income sources early in the game. One of the most effective strategies is upgrading your main goblin instead of unlocking too many at once. A stronger main goblin mines faster, which increases both your gold and XP gain. Next, always reinvest your earnings into upgrades instead of saving for too long. Consistent upgrades help you progress faster and maintain steady growth. Target deeper layers and higher value ores whenever possible, since they provide better rewards per run and speed up your leveling. You should also complete quests, missions, and achievements whenever they are available. These often provide XP boosts and additional rewards that help you level up more quickly. Make sure to check the game regularly to collect rewards and avoid staying inactive for too long. Additionally, use any available boosts at the right time to maximize your progress. Combining upgrades, deeper mining, and well-timed boosts will significantly improve your leveling speed. So that's basically how you can level up fast in Goblin Miner. That's it for this video. Thanks.